Hello guys, good evening, si Judy Kawasoe po ito. Ito na yung pinakakaabangan nyo ha. Ito yung sa ROFD, yung pinost na kumakalat ngayon na, hindi ko naman sinasabing mali yung nag-post, pero masyado kasing lumabas na naging napakadali sa pag-post niya na hindi ko sinasabing mali, pero naging napakadali ng pagbabalita na madali nang ipasa o mag-grant ang recognition of divorce sa Pilipinas. Okay, babasahin ko sa inyo. Hindi po ako abogado, pero kasi ito, galing tong link na to sa kaibigan kong lawyer and pinasahan niya ako para maipaliwanag ko sa inyong lahat. Okay? Ilalagay ko rin tong link na to sa vlog ko na to at pagkatapos ko tong basahin sa inyo, ipapaliwanag ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung nasa sa loob ko at yung opinion ko dito. Okay? Pakinggan nyo ha. Recognition of divorce not limited to those decreed by foreign courts. September 20, 2024, the Supreme Court has ruled that foreign divorce decrees do not require judicial proceedings abroad to be recognized in the Philippines. The Supreme Court en banc, in a decision written by Associate Justice Japar B. Dimaampao, ruled that Philippine courts can recognize divorces obtained abroad whether through legal or administrative process or by mutual agreement. Okay? Filipino citizen Ruby Cuevas Nang married Japanese national Akihiro Sono in Quezon City in 2004. They later moved to Japan. After their relationship fell apart, they secured a divorce decree by mutual agreement. In Japan, evidenced by a divorce certificate issued by the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines. Nang filed before the Regional Trial Court RTC a petition for the judicial recognition of the foreign divorce and for the declaration of her capacity to remarry, which the RTC granted. The officer of the Solicitor General OSG challenged the RTC decision before the Supreme Court, arguing that only foreign divorces decrees issued by a court can be recognized in the Philippines. In this case, the foreign divorce was by mere agreement. Kasi di ba sa Japan, pwede makipag-divorce kahit agreement lang. The court ruled in favor of Nang. Filipinos previously married to foreigners can seek judicial recognition of their foreign divorce under Article 26, Paragraph 2 of the Family Code. The court held that the type of divorce, whether administrative or judicial, did not matter, as long as the divorce is valid under the foreign spouse's national law. It will be recognized in the Philippines for the Filipino spouse. The court emphasized that Article 26 aims to prevent a situation where a foreign spouse can remarry while the Filipino spouse remains bound by the marriage. In Nang's case, she claims the national law of Japan recognizes divorce either by agreement or judicial action, which is true. However, she failed to submit to the RTC an authenticated copy of the relevant Japanese law on divorce. Under Rule 132, Section 24 and 25 of the Revised Rules on Evidence, public documents of foreign countries must be proved either by official publications or copies attested by the legal custodian of the documents. The court clarified that under Office of the Court Administrator, Circular Number 157-2022-8, the OCA's compilation of foreign divorce law serves only as a preliminary reference for courts, but does not dispense with the requirements under the revised rules on evidence. The court thus remanded the case to the RTC to allow to present evidence proving the existence of the relevant Japanese law on divorce, courtesy of the Supreme Court Public Information Service. Okay, ano yung masasabi ko dito? Kasi, ang inaalaw lang nila dati or ginagrat lang nila ay yung divorce na, ang alam lang din kasi nila, is yung divorce decrees na ini-issue by court. 'Di ba? Dito kasi sa Japan, ang divorce natin ay meron tayong, may court tayo, meron tayong by agreement, 'di ba? Meron tayo na talagang inutos. Alam niyo 'yon, marami tayong klase ng divorce no? Wala akong kopya, pero hindi ko na isa-isahin. So, yun lang yung ipinapahayag dito sa petition na, ito yung pinapahayag dito sa recognition or itong balita na to. No? So, kumbaga, ito yung total na summary ng balita. Pareho pa rin ang sistema. Walang nabago, pati requirements. No, magpa-file pa rin kayo, kukuha pa rin kayo ng abogado, magpa-file pa rin kayo na recognition of divorce. May case pa rin. Magiging madali lang in the sense na yung divorce by agreement, halimbawa ako at saka yung ex ko, nag-divorce kami, nag-agree kami na mag-divorce, pumirma kami pareho, meron kaming witness, divorce by agreement yun. Pinasa namin yung papel sa City Hall, divorce by agreement yun. Magiging madali na yung recognition nun. Hindi na dadaan sa lag-check. Ika nga, hindi na maghihirap. So, siguro malilesen yung time, madali na mag-grant yung recognition of divorce. Yun lang yun. Parang naging napaka-easy-easy na lang mangyayari dun sa pagbabalita. Pero it's just the same. It will be just the same. Pareho na sistema. And the gastos, I don't think may mababago. Siguro medyo bababa. Diba? Compare sa dati. Medyo magmumura siguro. Pero it's just the same. It will be just the same. Kasi yun din ang sinabi ng kaibigan kong abogado. Walang nabago. No? Walang nabago. No? Kaya, sorry to disappoint everybody. Pero wala daw nabago. Although magiging mabilis na siguro yung proseso kasi yun nga, accepted na ang lahat ng klase ng divorce. Hindi katulad dati na yung decrease by court lang. Divorce decrease by court lang. Yung madaling tanggapin. No? Anything na lahat. Pagkatapos, same lang din. Pagkatapos yun lang, kailangan nyo lang patunayan. Yun siguro yung sa Japan Family Civil Code. No? Yun lang yun. Kaya lang kasi, ang TOCWA, ang hirap naman nilang intindihin. Kasi ang Japan Family Civil Code, di ba? Nakukuha rin sa Google yan eh. Nakukuha naman sa Google yan eh. Translated na yon. Kaya nga yung iba, hindi ko pinipirma niyan kasi hindi ako nag-translate niyan. Hindi ako nag-translate niyan. Hindi ko pinipirma niyan kasi hindi ko kinukuha ang credit dahil hindi ako nag-translate yan. Binibigay ko lang yan, guys. Kaya sa mga nangangailangan, okay lang. Ang babayaran nyo lang sa akin yung printing, tsaka yung pagpapadala ko sa inyo. Yun lang ang babayaran nyo sa akin. Pero wala akong dyan, kasi talagang I don't care. Hindi ako nag-translate yan eh. Piprint lang yan eh. Okay? So guys, I hope may naibigay ako sa inyong kalinawan. Tingnan nyo, abangan nyo to sa vlog, nakalagay yung nito, yung link, basahin nyo uli, unawain nyo, i-Google Translate nyo sa Tagalog if you want. Okay? So, thank you guys. I hope nalinawan kayo kahit papaano. Pasensya na kayo ha, nabubulol ako sa pagbabasa, hindi na yata ako sanay mag-Ingles. Okay, thank you guys. I hope may naitulong ako sa inyo kahit papaano. Pasensya na ha. Sa mga gusto magpa-translate, andito lang ako. Okay, thank you. Bye!